Hey, this is Larry Powell, Circle P Marketing. I just wanted to get this quick screencast over to you guys to show how you can generate more traffic to your company and what you guys have available to you online to do that. So I know in the Facebook messages we had going back and forth, you guys said you were doing Facebook and Google for advertising right now. Generally, with both of those, you do have some sort of landing page associated with that, especially with the Google ads. If you guys do have one of those, I would definitely be curious to take a look. I had tried to do some searches for it and couldn't find it anywhere, but definitely would be interested in what that looks like for you guys. As far as websites go, obviously you guys don't have one or not one that I could find, so I just wanted to show you a quick example of a website that would do very well for you guys, something along these lines that would convert very well and really help with the rankings and generating this traffic. So this is a website I built for a client here out of Eugene, Oregon. These websites really don't have to be too in-depth. Really the goal for these is conversions and rankings. So one of the biggest things, most important factors for these websites is these 1,500 to 2,000 words of content on this homepage. There was a recent study done by Google where they looked at over 1 million different websites across multiple niches, looking at all the top ranked sites in all these niches. And what they found from this study is that the top ranked sites all had that 1,500 to 2,000 words of content. So really optimizing out for what Google's looking for these top ranking sites will help you guys get into that top ranking spot. Another really important thing with these is you have click to call buttons, so people can click to call from here, call now here. That's really important with mobile search, just because people are looking for that easiest way to get a hold of your business. So having those click to calls on there is very important. And then obviously a contact form. So having that contact form front and center to where it makes it really easy for people to get a hold of you guys will really help with your guys' conversions as well. 99% of the time, people are looking at this top of the website and they're going right down to your contact form. They're not even really scrolling through the content because they just want someone to come out there and give them a bid. I'm not saying it's not important to build out the rest of your site and still have quality stuff on there, but really what you're first looking at on that site is going to be the most important for potential customers. So definitely that's kind of what to keep in mind for your guys' website. And obviously for your service pages, you guys can build those out to include all the different services you guys are offering. So what I wanted to show you guys today, this is a tool I use. It's a paid tool called Ahrefs. They do have like a $7 7-day trial if you guys wanted to get on here and verify any of this information. I know you guys said you were based out of Brenham. So I was kind of looking for the highest populated area that was close to you guys. Obviously Houston's about an hour away. So I kind of based search volumes off of that. But with you guys being willing to travel statewide, we really could target any area. There's a lot of possibilities here for you guys for generating a lot of traffic because you're willing to travel statewide. So looking at keywords, bathroom remodeling Houston and kitchen remodeling Houston, each one of these keywords is currently generating about 1,200 searches per month. Being in the top spot for one of these keywords, you can count on getting about 400 or 33%, so about 400 people coming to your guys' website. There is a lot of competition behind these. And obviously there is a lot of other keywords we could target, but these just have a lot of search volume, so I really wanted to get that information out to you guys and kind of show that to you. So what we're going to look at is bathroom remodeling Houston, and I'm going to show you guys how you can get into the top spot for that search term and what the competition is for that. So looking at bathroom remodeling Houston, there's a couple different things we look at here. Everybody knows how to use Google, but not everybody fully understands what they're looking at. I know you guys have said you've ran Google ads, so I'm assuming you have a pretty firm grasp on what this looks like and what that process is. Google ads can definitely be great for generating traffic right away, but your return on investment over time is going to be a lot less, just because as soon as you stop paying for those Google ads, the leads stop coming in. Organically ranking your guys' business in the GMB or map pack, and organically in these search results, you're going to see a lot higher return on investment, and those leads will continue to come day after day, month after month, year after year. So there's a couple different factors for how you guys can get your business into this 3-pack. Obviously having an address in Houston would be the very first step, and there are options available if you guys don't have access to an address in Houston. Obviously you guys are in Brenham, but there are options available to where you can still get those GMBs up and get those verified. Once you get a GMB verified, there's a couple factors for how you get that ranked. One of them is what's known as citations, and citations use your business name, address, and phone number listed on the web. A great citation source would be something like Yelp or Yellow Book, where you're able to get those free citations and it's called NAP. and pretty much you're just building out the number of occurrences your business is mentioned on the web. So those citations is very important. Within your actual GMB itself, there's a couple different things what you're looking at. We'll just look at this one real quick just to show you an example. Making sure you have all of this content or all this info filled in is very important. You want to make this look as put together as possible. Obviously, reviews is very important because you're building that trust with potential customers as they're coming on and looking at your GMB. And then another very important part is actually the description you have on your GMB. So with this description, you really want to make sure you're targeting some of these keywords that you really want to go after that have the search volume behind them. So when people are making these searches, Google knows to pull you up in those search results. And then the last thing is actually your organic rankings. So where your business sits organically in the search results is another big factor for how you get your business into this 3-pack. So looking at the top site, golfremodeling.com, we're going to be looking at their bathroom remodeling. So this is their website. They don't have a whole ton of content on here. They have a fair amount, but definitely doable to pass them up content-wise. And then what we're going to look at after that, we're going to head back over to Ahrefs, and we're going to look at the back end of their website. And what I mean by the back end is there's a lot that goes into getting these ranks. Obviously, the content is a big factor, but backlinks and referring domains is another big factor in how you get these websites ranked. Backlinks, the best way to describe that is it's kind of like a high school popularity contest. And you have the most popular kid in school, and we'll call him website A, and he's going to link himself to the least popular kid in school, and we'll call him website B. And by that most popular kid linking himself to the least popular kid, it brings up that popularity of the least popular kid and moves him up in the rankings or popularity, makes him look more popular in Google's eyes, and it's going to bring him into that top spot. So the more backlinks and referring domains you have, the better off you are for your rankings. The referring domains is really the key number here. You can have multiple backlinks and one referring domain, so this referring domain is really the number we target. And then if they're do follow or not is even more important. So they have 9 referring domains, but only 3 of those are do follow. And the reason why that do follow is important is it means you're actually getting that popularity back to your website. So this is saying that they have 6 referring domains that actually aren't doing anything for their website. It's just a mentioning and a link on another website, but only 6 of those actually aren't really doing anything for their rankings. So those 3 do follows is what's getting them that top spot right now. If you have any questions on anything I went over in this video, I'd love to talk to you guys more. Have a wonderful day. Thank you.